Alright, so we've been listening to Starboy for about an hour and a half now on repeat. Woo, Starboy! Woo, Starboy! Yeah! Yeah!
Look what you done! I'm a motherfucking Starboy.
Dairy.
Oh my god, they're like mini cows.
Dairy. Sun, surf, sand, slurp juice, slime, and other sensual times at Surfers Paradise are all things that we avoided when schoolies time rolled around for us in 2016. What would outdoorsy nerds do instead of partying with lots of lovely ladies in Queensland, Byron Bay or Bali? Hiking 176 kilometres for 2 weeks along a historic abandoned train line with a team of sweaty young men is what they would do. So join us as we embark on an unforgettable gunzal-sic-ular journey of a lifetime filled with nonsense, sleepers, stations, soups, sprouters, snakes and smelly socks. This is hiking the abandoned South Gippsland railway line.
Hello and welcome to part
7
of the South Gippsland Railway Line video series. If you have not watched the previous parts in this series, I would strongly recommend you watch them before watching this one. Without further ado, enjoy!
Alright, today is Sunday. It's raining, and today we're going to Leongatha, so here I am in the laundry packing my bag because I don't want it to get drenched. Floyd, what did you just set a reminder for when we get to the supermarket? Oh, download Starboy, okay. We think this place might kind of be a trailer park kind of place because it says rent. Rent to be paid every 14 days. So that means people are pretty much permanently living here. Pack pretty much complete. Now to go grab some miso soup. Again.
I've got goosebumps.
Okay, Floyd, there was a homeless guy in there having his breakfast. What the heck happened?
So I saw his block of cheese and it was moldy in multiple places. And at first I thought, okay, maybe it's one of those cheeses that are meant to be moldy. But no, I looked on the label and it was Woolworths home brand tasty cheese. So it's not meant to be moldy, but it was extremely moldy and he was eating it.
Did it smell the room?
The room smelled really bad because of it.
And you just had to stand there and make your miso soup?
Yep, I just had to stand there.
I've got goosebumps.
Cows! More cows! Alright, so that's the track coming out of Korumburra. Whoomp, okay. And that is going to Leongatha. Floyd's just put some blister tape on. We're just getting some sunscreen and then we're gonna get ready for the journey. Let's go! Woo! Woo! Starboy! Woo! Starboy! Yeah! Yeah!
Look what you done! I'm a motherfucking Starboy. Alright, so we are at what I believe to be the only remains, or rather no remains, of Cardella station. The station closed in 1976. There's a bit of space here on the side of the track and it's a bit straight in this section, so I think the station platform would have been there when the station was open, but as you can see, there is nothing remaining. I'm putting Starboy back on.
Right, down there's a level crossing, and we've come across this sign here that says Cardella. So the station could have been here.
I don't think it would have been here, because firstly the embankment is a bit too far away from the track, and secondly it's a bit too high, and also the curve makes a difference
Yeah.
They probably wouldn't have put it on a curve.
There's like a little gnome guy's house. Gnome guy's house. It even has a little window. All right, so we've been listening to Starboy for about an hour and a half now on repeat. Floyd thinks it's weird that this railway crossing has the triangle signs with a hole in it. It's lunchtime. This is my lovely lunch. What have we got here? We got some shaved honey ham. We got some vintage cheddar. We got some old pizza roll things. We got some shaved salami. Oh yeah, let's go. On the train track here, it's a little bit of a hill and there's just little frequently dotted black pieces, shiny metal pieces. I don't know what that's from. This piece of track has diagonal lines on it. That sleeper has a blue X on it. Some remnants of lunch. Another remnant.
Okay, lunch is finished. It's time to hit the track.
Alright, so just outside of Ruby now, and this is what we believe, or what Floyd Bromley believes, to be the remnants of the old station. Is there anything left?
Not that I can see.
Just gonna update you two as to what my legs look like by this point in the hike. Alright, so you can see that they're kind of renovating the outside area of the caravan park, which is good, but at what cost? Right, so this is like where the playground used to be. I don't know what they're doing. It looks like they're turning it into a garden. I don't know if that's the greatest idea for a caravan park. Now, this is the reason I came out here to make this video. I don't know if they're keeping this guy in their renovation, but this is one of the most classic pieces of playground apparatus. I'm pretty sure it's meant to be Humphrey Bear. It's got like the bow tie and stuff, but oh my god, it's classic. Look at these seats. Look at those tractor-esque seats right there. Look at the, let's just pause them for, look at that crispy patina on the paintwork right there. Look at that nozzle situation. Look at that mouthful. Oh yeah. It's really sad. These old fiberglass play equipment's slowly dying out, and hopefully this one will be saved.
Dairy. 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 Dairy.
Welcome to the recreation room. We've got some fridges here, we've got a sink here. We also have a TV. We've got a Floyd and Les.
We're having dinner and watching the telly.
Right, Floyd tried to cook rice and apparently it went pear-shaped.
Just like drooping all out of the doors.
Oh yeah, it's all foggy and steamy.
Well, if you claim you didn't get to cook anything. So when it comes to protecting America, US customs...
Alright, congratulations, it's night time. Floyd's currently having a shower and I am not even speaking incoherently way, so I'm gonna go to sleep. We'll see you tomorrow.
Dairy.
That concludes the end of this video presentation. Thanks for watching part
7
of the South Gippsland Railway Line video series. I hope you enjoyed. Stay tuned for part
8,
which is either coming out soon or came out 15 years ago. There will be a link to it in the description nonetheless. Thanks for watching and see you in the next episode. Oh, and also subscribe and bell for more exploration videos. Crush that like button and believe in yourself.
Do you want to see the graveyard? I'll show you. It's not every day you wake up in a grave. It can get pretty scary out here. What do you think of the brands? We've got some pretty deceased people around here, pretty deceased businesses. Like this one. Who would have thought that was going to happen?
Dairy.